Hello, today in our today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut this high neck jacket. So let's get started. Now we still have our normal body pattern. I'm using a 7 inches thread. Then from this is the breast line, first line, and this is the shoulder length, shoulder line. Let me use 1.5 inches for the button allowance. Now the shoulder is 15 divided by shoulder is 7.5. You use shoulder for the person. Then the armhole, I'm using 8 this time around. The neck, I'm using 3 inches. Then where I want the hip to come out, this is the underbust where the button will start. So I'm putting it up here. Let me mark out the waistline, which is 4 inches from the underbust. So at this waistline, I will need to take out 4 inches from here. This is where the dart should be, the dart line. Then the bust point, which is 10.5. Then the dart starts from 12, which is 1.5 from the bust point. And the waistline, the waistline, and that stops. Then this is the waistline. This waistline, I measure ½ inch at each point. Then end at the length, where the length stops. Then from the first point, I'll draw a line down to the armhole. Then along that line, I'll measure 1.5. Then at this armhole part, measure ½ inch at each end. Just to bring out the princess that's what I'm trying to make out here. So that is the dart. So now I want to talk about the neck now, where the neck will be. The neck comes to the armpit. But before we do that, let's go for the high neck. At the place where we have the neck, let's assume this is the back part of it. You need to measure the length of the back to know how many inches we use for here at the top side. This is 3.5 inches. So we are going to increase it to 4 inches for joining. See? So the neck is for 3 inches. We'll add half inch. That is 3.5. Then you draw the line, connect the line. So depending on how high now you want your high neck to be, the back side. So this time I'm using 2 inches for it. Then you come down to be down by the neck part to measure the 2 inches. Then you draw the line, connect it to the place where the neck stops. So this is the one we are using now, not this. So we now come to add half inch at this part and half inch at this part for the sewing. Okay, before that, let us remove we need to bevel the neck. The shoulder, which is that. Then the half inch, the broken line. So we now come back to the armhole. So we need to cut the armhole, connect the armhole to this neck where the neck stops. So this one now will now becomes the original armhole here. So let us come to the measurement at the body part. The bust is 36. 36 divided by 4, which is 9, plus this 1 inch, 10, plus 2 inches for the sewing allowance, which is 12. The under bust, you go direct to under bust, which is this one. Under bust is 32. Divide by 4 is 8 plus half, 8.5 plus 2, 10.5. You come to the waistline. The waistline is the waist is 34. Divide by 4 is 8.5 plus this 1 inch, which is 9.5 plus 2, 11.5. So you connect it to this place. There is no need of this because you are going to take it off from that side. When you remove the you connect here now to the dark line. Why from here now? You are having 2 buttons, which is one here and one here. Then from the waistline, we take it out. So this is what we came up with. So let's cut it and see the main one that we are using and once we are going to take out. So this is what we are getting. Now let us cut off with that. So this is what you get now. Remember to notch here so that you know where you are starting from and where you'll be able to tie both of them together where you're sewing. And when you are sewing, remember to sew from the down part. And after, when you join it, when you get to this place, one side, this side has to be longer, this side has to be longer than this side. Then you have to trim out the extra one you have there. So this is what you get at the front part. So let us go to the back part. And this is where the arm will stop. So get the back. You can easily use your front to get the back. This is the line, the waistline, the under bust line, and this is where the armhole. So you remove this and get that. What you just get is the dark line. The waistline is the waist is 34. 34 divided by 4 is 8.5. 8.5 divided by 2 is 4.25. So this is the dark line, 4.25. Draw the line. Then we form the dart. This is the waistline. This is the up. So you take it from half inch here, take it out. But if you don't want to do your that, you can make a smoking line at the back to make it fitted. That is another way to make it. So the bust line, the bust is 9. 9 plus this half inch I taken out from here. That is 10 plus 2. That is 12.5 for the back. Then the under bust is 32. That which is 8 plus 1 9 plus 2 11. While the waistline 8.5 plus half 9 plus 2 11. So this is what we get at the back. So this is what we are getting now. This is the back side, while this is the front part of it. Now we are done with the cutting of this jacket. As you can see how beautiful it is being made. Please like, share and subscribe.